Here we have a refrigerator that's not working. As you can see, temperature 66 freezer, 68 refrigerator. The compressor's running. I hear the condenser fan motor running, but what's not running is the evaporator motor. There's no air coming out of here. And in the freezer section, the fan motor is over here, and there's no air. There should be air blowing out of here, cold air. The evaporator coils are down here, the motor's here. It blows up the cold air. It's not good to run the compressor when the evaporator fan's not working. So we'll turn this off. First we unplug the refrigerator. It's not working. No lights inside. Make sure it's unplugged. Now we pull this ice tray out, ice holder. And there's two screws when you go in here. Let's see if we can. One there, one there. It's hard to do one-handed shit. So you leave the two screws in there, and you lift up and pull away. And then this clamp here, you depress these two plugs here. You depress it, pulls off, and let's see here, does it only go one way? I'm gonna mark the tops. With a Sharpie, you mark the tops. I put this shelf here, so I'm going to lay this ice maker cube dispenser to rest it down on here. I'm going to have to pull this plug out. I have to take this one and this one off. Okay, this shelf is, two screws on the bottom are loose, so I literally bent this up. Drop it down on the shelf. I marked the top. Oops. I marked the plug on the top, and it's in like this. I didn't have a screwdriver close by, so I took a knife, and you have to open it like this. When you open it like this, it slips out of the hook part there. See ya. You go in. Next, take these rails off. These two screws there and two there. Remember, this square part has to be on top for the bracket hook on the ice dispenser. Next, you have to take off these screws here. There's 5. And these 2 screws have to come out so the top panel can come out. Now I have access to the motor, and under here is where the coils are. And when the coils get cold, they blow up refrigeration. Here goes on that side in the back, and it comes out a vent up here. Now I'm going to get ready to turn it on. Watch what happens. Just turns. It's struggling. Its motor's burned out. Brushes are shot. So the motor here, you lift it up sideways. Pull this plug out here. That little lip there, you have to lift it up and pull the plug. Now I get this fan out here, so what I do is go to the back, stick my thumbs between the fan blade and push up. Hello. And here you have a hook, so you press down and pinch. Got a little piece here. This comes off the back. We'll wait till the motor comes. The unboxing of the part.
Oh, my.
Okay, here we're gonna take what's on here. This goes, rubber part goes all the way down. This rubber part here goes over here like this. Goes in to the clips here. I'm gonna put this piece here. When you put it back in, the top, the motor has to go this way with the plug on the inside. Like so. Okay, I have the motor plugged in. I'm going to turn on the refrigerator or see the moment of truth. Evaporator Fan Motor. So the bracket that holds the evaporator motor goes in like so. Get a view of it there. Then you have your strips for insulation against the back panel that goes in next with 7 screws. Okay, when you put this back panel in, start with this screw and just tighten it by hand and go one by one, putting in and not tightening them down so you can move the panel around if you need to. See, I got them all just turned in. And tighten them down. Next we put the rails in that hold up the ice dispenser. Making sure that this is up, this square part is up. Tighten it down with the ratchet, not too tight. We get the other side, get the square part up. Okay, we're going to put it on now. It's set for -1 and 35. We have 71 freezer, 72 refrigerator at 3:04 p.m. Okay, time is 5:51, and we have 57 in the refrigerator and 10 degrees in the freezer after 3 hours. It says wait up to at least 24 hours for the temperatures to come back to what they're set to. This one's set to -1 Fahrenheit, and this one's set to 35 Fahrenheit. So we're at 10 Fahrenheit and 58.